In today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed this TEMU $20 26-inch loose wave synthetic wig.
Hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels.
Head, shoulders, knees, toes, don't know these hoes. Face, lips, eyes, nose, camera, click, we pose, beat.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I am 𝒹𝒶𝒸𝒶, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer, because baby, I am finding these wigs for you guys, okay? Synthetic Wig Whisperer. I forgot to mention, if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. Today I have a unit for you guys, and she a baddie. I love it. She's a beautiful unit. I checked out the reviews. I looked at all that, okay? And it looks good. Real quick,
What?
Real quick, I wanted to share with you guys to save a little money, because you know I am like a baddie on a budget and I am all about saving, okay? I'm gonna put up a screen recording for you guys so that way, you know, I can show you guys how I do it. So yeah, let go. What you're gonna do, you're gonna open up your TEMU app. You're going to go to you at the bottom. You see at the bottom it says you. You're gonna click that, and then you're gonna go to your order. And so this is all my orders, first of all, but don't pay no attention to it. But anyway, I'm gonna go to an order, and you see how it says track. This one, yeah, you're gonna click track, and you're gonna scroll over. Well, no, it's gonna say order details right there. It says price adjustment. You see right there, it says price adjustment. Click that. It's the only item in that order that is reduced, so you're just going to request a price adjustment, and it's nothing but 10 cents. You're going to press it, and they're pretty much going to tell you, hey, here you go, do you want to receive in seconds? And of course I do. Submit it, and that is it. TEMU, some days you'll get on there the wig. I'm gonna say a wig because that's what this content is about. So if you have a wig in your cart, you may see that it's $30-some, right? So the next day you go on there, that wig might be $15. That's where the price adjustment comes in. It's the adjustment between the two. You paid probably the original price, they marked it down. If they marked it down, baby, you can get your money back. I hope you guys are understanding that, because I'm not good at explaining things sometimes. That's a little tip for you guys if you didn't know. Let's go ahead and let's get into this wig installment, okay? It's morning. I hope you guys are. It's 8:24 in the morning right now. Delicious. If my words are very slurry this morning, y'all please overlook me and continue watching. So I ordered this unit. You know what? I hate this, but why they keep giving a big bag and the wig just gonna fall down? Just put it in a small bag and it's gonna fall down. A unit with a little color on the side. Let's look at her. And of course, she's a long one for you girlies who love short units. I'm gonna get some, okay? Just be patient. But anyway, let's look at her. Okay, she's doable. She's doable. I'm gonna take the net, the net off. Okay, sis. Put a little pop of color on the side, and it's only on one side. Yeah, I remember take the gut out. Take the gut out. Take the gut out. Hey, take the gut out. Take the gut out. Oh, you got. Oh, she's pretty. Ooh. Let's get into the details. All right, so the lace. Yep, she's stretchy. She got a little baby hair, just a little bit. But like I said, one side is blonde. And of course, it's only one side that's blonde. A little pop of color, nothing too dramatic. Okay, and she is a middle part. She has two combs right here, one comb in the back, adjustable straps, a middle part. Yeah, we can do a middle part today. We could do a middle part. This is so cute. So with this unit, it's a total of 5 different colors, 5 different choices to choose from with this hairstyle. So they have a cinnamon color, black, all black. What I got is linen, and they also have olive brown and green. I'm gonna go ahead and put some foundation on this stocking cap. I am not going to do the ball cap method. I'm just not gonna do it. If you've been subscribed to me, baby, you know I ain't finna, I'm just not gonna do it, okay? But anywho, since it's a middle part, I'm gonna go ahead and I am going to put this dead in the middle, and I'm also gonna do the side of the cap. That's it. This is all I'm gonna do. I'm not really doing much. I like to wear units where you don't have to do so much work, if that makes sense. Especially with a synthetic unit. I don't like doing a lot of work. I mean, I will, but I just don't like doing it. I'll go ahead and I'm gonna put some foundation on the inside of this. Put some foundation in this. It's decent, so let's put this on. Ooh. You got a big head, she good for it. I love that. That is so cute. That is so cute. Like, baby. When I was putting this on, y'all, the lace ripped. Like, right here. Look at that. What? You better be glad that's where I was gonna cut anyway. Like, it just makes me want to just continue doing this right here so people can see the pop of color. Okay, she's really cute. I like that. So let's go ahead and put this hair back and let's mess with this lace. This is so cute. I love the pop of color. Oh, girl, look at it. So let's get to this. Baby, she is ripping every moment. Give me time. Let me cut you fast. So the lace went on ahead and decided what I should be doing next, and cut it. Just cut it. Go ahead and cut this lace, y'all. Hey, that look. Hey, this lace is really good. In with my melting Sprite, baby. It's time to put out another bottle. And I really don't need much. Like I said, this stuff is like truly, it's really, really good. I like this stuff. So I am going to put on my melting band so I could just get it down a little bit more. So I think I've been sitting here for like 20-25 minutes. I've been sitting here for a long time just scrolling on my phone. But let's take this off, you guys. Okay, yeah, she's down, she down. We down, we down. Pluck this baby, okay. So I did this side, if you guys can tell, the lace kind of ripped a little right here. And all I did was put the melting spray on there and, you know, let it lay down. It's okay. It just, this lace is very thin. Like, not thin, but more of, it's easily, it can tear easily is what it is. I did not do this side. I did this side, as you could tell right here. I did a little plucking. It looks decent. Okay, so I had plucked the hairline. Y'all see that? But I want to go in and I want to part just a little bit so I can pluck some more. I really don't like plucking. Y'all like this? Burlington, $3. When I really say that I'm a baddie on a budget, I really mean that. Baby, I am for the sales. I am for the price reduction. I am for everything that is saving money. I ain't got it, so I'm gonna save. Like, I worked at Burlington before, and I know how they operate. Here's another tip for you guys. So whenever you go to like Burlington and you see something that does not have a price on it, this did not have a price on it, I'm looking everywhere, I'm like, what is it? But I'm looking at the other items, cups like this, they're like $20, and I'm like, whoo, no ma'am, I ain't doing that. I took this up to the counter because it doesn't have a price, baby. I need a price and I want it. And there was also another one, a light pink one in the back, and you know, it didn't have a price as well. And I'm like, okay, well, there's another one in the back, you know, it doesn't have a price, and this one doesn't have a price, you know. We was at the counter and she turned around and she went in the bin and grabbed like a kid's cup. And she rung it up. She said $3 fine. I said, girl, yes. You ever go to Burlington and you find something that does not have a price, the best thing to do is find something similar to what you got cheap. Be like, well, I found this is just like this, maybe you can just ring this up. But that's the tip of the day. So let me go ahead and part this and pluck some more, and I'm gonna be back. I am, because this is taking a long time, baby. Y'all, I really don't like plucking. Girl, y'all, first of all, I'm hot. Second of all, that took forever. I'm gonna put this melting spray on here, and I'm pretty much just trying to seal it, just in case I did like lift it up whenever I you know, started plucking. I'll let this sit for 10 minutes. Yeah, looks so good tonight. I just realized I haven't ate anything this morning. Baby, I gotta have some breakfast. Warm up me a Jimmy Dean croissant, sausage and cheese. Like MJ Doctor, they came at me. Fake laughing with customers is actually a job skill. I see people my age out there climbing mountains and zip lining, and here I am feeling good about myself because I got my leg through my underwear without losing my balance. I can relate sometimes. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, tight. Ooh, I think I want to do something more natural. Like, baby, y'all see that? Ooh, I'm doing this up, girl. Ooh, wee. Looky. Oh, that is so cute. Yeah. So in order to show this stripe, I'm going to spray this, and I am going to pretty much just push it back, because like I said, I want this stripe to be seen, okay? So we need to push it all the way back, okay? So let me tweak this a little bit, and then I'm gonna show you guys the finished product, okay?
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T, off the leash. I feel like a dog, I can have the fleet. Keep it P, never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make a pretty clean, boost your self-esteem. I get tough in the moment, so I feel like baby king.
Y'all, girl. girl. Absolutely love it. The curls, beautiful. Like, well, it's not curls, it's more like a wave. I'm loving this hair texture, baby. She is not even napping up right now. Just running through this. No nap. She does real good with heat. Love it. She's so good. She took so well. This is pretty flat. Like, what? Girl, this is a good one. I got her flat. This right here, this is so cute. I wish it was over here, but this is actually cute. I like the way that it is. I mean, it would be nice to have it on the other side too. I mean, I did have to pluck, but the thing is, you really don't have to pluck. This unit I did pluck. It's cute. I made it try to look a little realistic. I cut some baby hairs, applied some foundation to it, put some foundation in the middle as well. I was looking for a unit with a pop of color, but not too much, because there's a lot of girls out there that don't do color for hair. This is just like I'm here but I'm not here type hairstyle, if that makes sense. This is a unit where you don't have to do a lot of work to it. You can actually wear it the way it comes out of the pack. I just did extra mainly because I like to do extra. That's just me. But if you're not the type of person that do extra stuff, you can get this wig, put it on, and go. Baby, this is really a 10 out of 10. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. 26 inches. Like, baby. What? You say what? I told you guys that I plucked a little too hard, like right there. I'm not for sure if you guys can see it. I plucked a little too hard, so the lace is very, very sensitive, so I wouldn't be so rough with it. All the information is in the description box. Everything that I've used in the description box, so check that out. Until next time, you guys, thank you so much. I am 𝒹𝒶𝒶, your synthetic wig whisperer. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T, off the leash. I feel like a dog, I can have the fleet. Keep it P, never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make a pretty clean, push your self-esteem. I get
the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl.